Jai Narayan student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Now this time of period COVID-19 student, rule this follow SMS. S means soap, M means marks, S means social distance. I hope ki all are rule this follow SMS. Now student, today we discuss for chapter number 3 nationalism in India. Okay student, and now start how participation saw the movement, and this lecture number is student 6. Student, you can see that ki why did join the movement and what were their ideals and why did Swaraj mean of them. Now first of all, different social group participate in the civil disobedience movement with their own ideals of Swaraj. Worldwide trade depression affected the rich peasant as the prices of agriculture procedure fell sharply, and they demanded reduction in land revenue but were denied. For them, Swaraj meant reduction in taxes. Are you understood, student? कि again one words repeated कि from the Swaraj mean reduction in taxes. In the countryside, rich peasants community like the Patidars of the Gujarat and Jats of Uttar Pradesh were active in the movement. Being procedure of commercial crop, they were very hard hit by the trade depression and falling the price. As their the cash income disappeared, they found it impossible to pay the government revenue demand, and the refusal of the government to reduce the revenue demanded led to widespread resentment, and the rich peasant became the enthusiasm supporters of the civil disobedience movement, organizing their communities and at times of forcing reluctant of members to participate in the boycott program. For them, the fight for Swaraj was a struggle against high revenue, but they were deeply disappointed with when the movement was called off in 1931 without the revenue and rates being revived. So, when the movement was restarted in 1932, many of them refused to participate. The student कि they were deeply disappointed when the movement was called off in 1931 without the revenue rates being revived. So when the movement was restarted in, फिर से ये start हुआ student, in 1932 many of them refused to participate. The relationship between poor peasant and the Congress remained the uncertain. So now start the poor farmer. So first of all student कि the poor peasant were not just interested in the lowering of the revenue demand, कि many of them were small tenants and cultivating land they had rented from landlords as the depression. So now depression affected the poor peasant too, so they could not pay the rent and demanded reduction in rent. For them Swaraj mean reduction in land rent. सबका अलग अलग मीनिंग्स था. आर यू नो डैट स्टूडेंट रिच एंड पुअर पीजेंट. So again my words is repeated student. Depression affected the poor peasant. They could not pay the rent and demanded reduction in rent. For them Swaraj mean reduction. Okay, Swaraj meant reduction in land rent. Now see what the about the next topic. What about the business classes? So student, the business classes demanded production against the import of foreign goods. Okay, they wanted a rupees trillion of exchange exchange rate that would be discourage import. They formed the Indians Industrial and Commercial Congress in 1930 and 1920 and set up. Okay, 1920 and set up. So again my words is repeated student कि what about the business classes, how did they relate to the civil disobedience movement. Student, are you know that कि as you know that कि during the First World War Indian merchants and industrial had made the huge profits and become powerful. They formed the Indian Industrial and Commercial Congress in 1920, and the business classes demanded the protection against the foreign import of foreign goods, and they wanted a rupees trillion of exchange rate that would discourage import. So they formed the Indian Industrial and Commercial Congress in 1920 and set up. So now see the Federation of the Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, student, FICCI, in 1927, and gave a financial help to the movement. They saw Swaraj as the time when there will be no colonial restriction on business and industrial welfare. The condition of the industrial worker was very miserable, and they demanded better wages and their better working condition, but they stayed aloof because of the close relation between the business and the Congress. So now student ki led by C कि first of all कि the condition of the industrial worker was very miserable, okay, and they demanded better wages and better wages and better working condition, but they stayed and aloof because of the close relation between the businessman and the Congress. So now see student ki led by prominent industry like Purushottam Das Thakurdas and G.D. Birla, the industrial attack colonial control over the Indian economy and supported the civil disobedience movement when it was first launched. When it was first launched, and the industrial working did not participation in the civil disobedience movement because student ki FICI I am already discussed in 1927, and the civil disobedience led the started for G.D. Birla, the industrialized the attack colonial and control over the Indian economy and supported the civil disobedience movement. And when it was first launched, they gave financial assistance and refused to buy or sell imported good. Most of businessmen came to see ki Swaraj, okay, came to see Swaraj as a time when colonial restriction on business would no longer exist and trade and industry would flourish without concern. And but after the failure, the round table conference business group were no longer uniformly enthusiastic, and they were apprehensive of the spread of militants and activities they worried about, and very disturbed of businessmen as well as growing influence of socialism amongst the younger members of the Congress. So now the industrial working classes did not participate in the civil disobedience movement in large numbers except in the Nagpur region, as the industrialization came closer to the Congress and work stayed aloof, but in spite of that some worker did not participate in the civil disobedience movement. Now student ki first of all businessman and the Congress I am already discussing because of the close relationship. So some selectively adopted the Gandhian ideas boycott. Now see student कि first of all industrial working condition did not participate in the civil disobedience movement. Now see student कि there were strikes by railway workers in 1930 and dock workers in 1932. In 1930 thousands of workers in Chota Nagpur and mines were Gandhi caps and participated in the protest rallies and boycott the campaign. Large scale participation of women in the civil disobedience movement and a participation in protest marches and manufactured salt. I am already discussed the lecture number 4, and manufactured salt and picked foreign cloths and liquor shop, and many women went to jail. Why? Because the student ki some selective adopted Gandhi ideas boycott, and railway workers and dockywards workers went to strike, and workers in mines wore Gandhi and caps and took part in the protest rallies and boycotts campaign. Thousands of women came out of their houses and took active part of protest the marches and produced salt. So now I am already the limit of civil disobedience. The nation untouchability who formed around the 1930 had begun to call themselves Dalit or oppressed. Student words Dalit is a term used by people of lower caste. To address themselves, Dalit means broken. They use this word to point out ki how they have been and are still discriminated against all time. And they are areas which dominate the caste system and religion, etc. So first of all, student, कि next Mahatma Gandhi is declared the Swaraj and would not come for 100 years if untouchability was not eliminated. He called the untouchability Harijans or the children of God and organized satyagraha to secure themselves entry into temples and access to public wells and tanks and roads and schools. It means a student ki the Dalit leaders sought a political solutions to the problem faced by the depressed classes. So they organize themselves and demand the reservation of seats in education institutions so that they could be a part of the decision making process, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and believed that it was only through political empowerment and that the situation of the depressed classes and could be made better. And he organized the Dalit into an organized called the Depressed Classes Association in 1930. Student, you can see that in 1930, Depressed Classes Association in 1930, and he demanded the separate electorates of for Dalits at the second roundtable conference, which was finally conceded by the British. And firstly, he called that untouchability and Harijan or the children of God organized satyagraha to secure them entry into temples and access to public wells, tanks and roads and school. It means ki equality, all are equal. And firstly, he signed the Pune Pact with Gandhi and gave up the demand for separate electorates, but secured reserved seats for Dalit in the provincial and central legislative council to be voted in general election. Student, Gandhi ji, it is the mainly concern for